pole.
Oh my God.
So yeah.
I won't add to that.
Yeah, so you're covered. There's cameras on both sides. Heads up.
Fish fry. What kind of fish? That's another story. This American is extension.
I saw that. She didn't mean to do that.
And you got that camera. Yeah,
That's great.
That's awesome. Yeah, right there.
Hey! It's the family channel. That's great.
Whatever.
She did that on purpose, guys. She just tripped.
Yeah, I did. Okay.
Come on in, take a walk with me. Let's get some of these other photos.
I am not walking around with you and nothing.
Come on!
I am good.
Please! Come on, you're the best. All right.
No, I don't want to walk in.
Well, go to the lagoon.
No.
We'll just take a quick walk. Just do like old times. This is like part 2 of that other crazy video. What? We're just
What
walking.
do you even do?
What do you mean? Yeah, no, I know. Look. Nothing. She's just gonna take a quick walk.
It's very annoying.
No, I know, me too. I'm like, this is crazy. See, I don't even know how you're supposed to hold it. Because I know it's
Apparently
closed.
not like that.
Yeah, no, you can do it this way too. Weird thing. Just want to touch, different angles and all that stuff. Sometimes you hold it down like this. But it's supposed to be, it's like holding a big globe. What are you going to deal with being like Kardashian? You gonna just walk away from fame, all that money? Come on, here. Come on. We don't want to do that. You're doing so good. People are like trending on you.
Yeah. It looks very obscene. FYI.
Your mind is weird.
No, that's
You're
what
going-
everybody's mind is. They had to guess. That's what they
Straight to the wrong place. The last time I had it was Did you guys sleep here last night?
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll be here again tonight.
You're kidding. Were you scared?
Just took us 2 hours to start a fire.
Oh, okay.
The wind was bad, he doesn't have a rain fly, so the wind's just ripping straight through the mesh.
It got cold then. It got a little...
Everyone else on the island's cold. My tent is the big blue, light blue and dark blue one, like right behind the canopy that's falling over.
Yeah.
That it's so hot, and everyone likes to come and hang out. My dad's just sleeping on the boat.
Is he on this boat?
Yeah, we have a cabin in it.
Oh, good, good.
Let's go.
Low tide. Seriously low tide. Oh boy, that has got to be a great experience.
That's awesome.
Did it get cold last night?
No, they were fine. Nice and breezy.
Yeah.
They slept in tent. I slept in my boat.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, that, he was. I think he was looking for you. He said his dad is up here. That is great.
Tide will come back.
Yeah, yeah, yep.
We're in the live well as a castaway. Just like a movie. They all went to bed.
Right.
Put the fire out. I
Right.
came over here. I turned the shower on. I took a bath.
Nice. Nice.
I went downstairs and turned the fan on.
Sweet.
I went
Wow.
Netflix. About 3 a.m. I went, must be at low tide.
Because you started tilting.
Well, it wasn't tilting at the time. This is new. When I could put this in, I got all them situated. I was anchored out there. I got all them situated because none of them, they're not water people.
Okay.
So I got all them situated and tied off, and then I came down here, and I couldn't really see where the step was.
Right.
And I was like, that's close.
Right. Right.
I live right there. So I can.
Perfect.
And I'm gonna they're having fun.
Yeah.
I woke up this morning and they were out here and they're like, oh my God, there's fish trapped in the lake.
That's what's up.
Best time of their lives.
Wow. That is awesome.
Good pictures of that.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to get you right now.
I don't know if this wind keeps I brought my kite stuff.
Oh, you might go kite surf. Oh, really? Windsurfing.
I'll jump this today. Just
Nice.
Why not? It's sitting here.
Right. Holy smokes. Very nice. He's got kayaks, everything up there. Wow.
Yeah, we brought everything for them. I didn't know what they were going to want to play with.
Right. Wow.
I got 30 scouts and 10 adults.
That many? Wow.
Pile.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good deal.
It's good. They got up this morning. They made their own. Yeah, they make breakfast by patrol. So they got up. They went shopping early in the week.
Oh, okay.
They got their coolers. They had to make their own breakfast.
Wow.
Made a fire this morning, and they made
Nice.
They made sausage and egg to make English muffins over the fire.
Nice.
One kid with a pan trying to scramble eggs in the pan. I mean, I can cook that way, but I brought my Blackstone.
Right. You got the.
We set the Blackstone up.
Right.
We made over easy eggs and bagels and hot sauce.
Right. Right.
Wow.
You're covered.
Yeah. Coffee. Somebody had coffee going before the sun came up. Why? Oh, that was, yeah. We got a couple. There's a bunch of us that are ex-military, and we were reminiscing this morning about there have been times when there was no way to make hot water that you just chew on the coffee.
Oh.
To keep the headache down. Then it becomes a trading game. Everybody sits in a circle and goes, "What you got? Who got the salt and pepper?"
Right. Right.
Who got the salt and pepper? That's
Wow.
king. He's king today.
Oh my God.
It's changed, boy. I got buddies that are in right now, and what they eat now is good.
Oh my God.
Compared to. Really? Really?
I used to work in the mess hall.
They're
20 years ago.
They're selling, survival food now that's effectively what they're selling to the military that are, whole meal for 4 people in a pack.
Really?
Super high density, high calorie, keep you going for a long time. And it tastes survival. You still want a variety of what's going on. But nothing beats, hands down, if you're looking for real survival food, nothing beats there's a meal ration they put on rescue boats, lifeboats. And they're like a lemon cake.
Oh, yeah.
And they're stacked in bricks in a foil pack.
Yeah.
And they're good for 50 years.
Wow.
In hanging off the side of a boat in a life raft. And they don't go bad. And they're not dry. They don't. Make
It doesn't
you
taste
dry.
really dense and all that.
Well, it's super dense, but it doesn't make you super like doesn't make
Dry.
you eat a bunch of water.
Right.
And they're like a piece that big's 350 calories.
Wow.
Like
They must
Yeah.
taste good.
and it tastes good. It tastes like a lemon cake.
Lemon cake of all things.
You know, I could live on lemon cake.
I could too.
So yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks, buddy.
Thank you. Good luck. Have fun with it.
You too.